So when you call into Protect America, you're going to be greeted by someone who will walk you step by step through the process. We're going to ask you questions about your entry points, doors, windows, specific areas, and make sure that it matches your needs specifically. Protect America goes the extra mile by testing the equipment before we even ship it to you. So before you receive it, it's already quality product tested. It's pre-built specifically for you and your home since it's customized. When you get it, we also run through quality checks and testing to make sure that you're fully satisfied.
Once you receive your package, one of our specialized technicians will walk you through step by step on how to install all of your equipment. Most installations on average take about an hour, just depending on the package.
It's really what you want and what your home needs, from cameras to Z-Way to whether it's just simply sensors. We really have it all.
The DIY process saves customers money compared to other security companies because you do have to pay on average $100 more for the installation.
That's actually money you could be putting into your pocket. Professionally monitoring is actually very important. How many times have you missed a phone call or a text message? You don't want that to be the notification of someone breaking into your home. Let us do that for you.
I'm Jonathan.
I'm Cassie.
I'm Nico, and I'm here to protect your home.